This is the 60th Liberation Day of Goa, and we are here at the Panjim Square. I am right now at the Panjim Church with these flowers for all of you, and just want to tell you what the government has done to our children. I सगळ्यांक भितर सरनासतना पणजे भितर सरचे पयलींच the buses were stopped and the children and the youth have been taken for a ride. एक जाग्यार सान दुसऱ्या जाग्यार. From Panjim they were taken to Kolwale सान गुणावन. After we had a discussion with the DYSP, Mr. I forgot his name, and PI Siddhant Shirodkar, which they said that they will get them back आणि पणजेसान येवन ते डिस्कस जातले. अजून पासून आमच्या भुरग्यांक सगळ्याक गुणायत आहा. नाव इट इज हर्ड दॅट दे आर टेकन टू आगासाई वेर दे वर सपोज टू बी रिलीज्ड, बट दे हॅव टेकन द बसीस बॅक टू पोंडा. सो हे आमचें गोंयकारपण. This is what we are celebrating, and we are having the President of India coming to Goa, and the CM saying this is a proud moment. Mr. Sawant, this is your donkeyness. This is not a proud moment for the Goans, not for the students. Anik tukai kesle pride jata noko, I don't know, and what type of pride it is for the police to pick up the innocent children who have just come to celebrate the 60th Liberation Day. I don't know if it is liberation. We are still in slavery. And अजून पासून गोंयकारा, if we want to choose slavery, this is our thing. This is what we are going to have. Can you help me to take this off? Let people see what we have over here. हो काशाव आमचो केल्लो आहा तो. हो आमचो काशाव आमच्या सरकारान केला. आनी ही आमच्या मोरणाक तांबडेलीं फुलां. कित्याक काय म्हणल्यार हें आमच्या सरकारान आमकां केलां. मिस्टर सावंत, इफ यू हॅव आयज प्लीज सी. तें धाकणेंय घाल तितून भितर, तेकाय भितर वचून दी. This is the death of democracy in Goa. If the government has eyes, look at us. If you have ears, listen to us. Bhero जाल्यार कानान कोळसो घाल. Sorry to say this, but this is what is happening. For crony capitalists, you are trying to just hurt us. आमी हिंगा आयज भुरगींची सेलिब्रेट करपाक येयल्ली ती प्रेसिडेंटाक मारपाक येवंक ना. दे अनआर्म्ड स्टुडंट्स. अंडर which section they have been arrested, I don't know. Under which section they have been lifted by the police, the Goa police, I don't know. After talking to them also, they have been taken for a ride. And गोंयकारांनो हांवें चड सांगपाक गरज ना. If this is the thing, then where are we? आमच्या भुरग्यांक जरी तो रायज हे भाशेन उबारून वता, where the youth are without any arms. हांव वचोंक ना सकयल, वचपाचो आहा आतां. But before I am lifted and before my friends over here are lifted, we just want to talk to all of you Goans. Is this a kind of, I don't know what, are we slaves? We are not slaves and we are not going to keep quiet. ही फुलां हाडलेली मोगान दिवपाक, पूण जरी तर मोगाची भाशा समजना जाल्यार परहॅप्स फकत एक भाशा. जो मेल्लो गोंयकार आसा न्हू तुजे मदें, तेका उठाय, जागोय. डोंट गिव अस एनी सिंपथी. द यूथ डोंट नीड युअर सिंपथी. ऑल गोवन्स and everybody who can hear me, Goans, please know that our children and youth who have been kidnapped by the police from Panjim and taken to some other jurisdiction, we don't know where, they don't need your sympathies. They need you to come and stand for them. So if you really mean any of your sympathies that you would like to give right now, please come, question the government, question the police. Why our youth have been taken like that? आमच्या भुरग्यांक कित्याक उबारून येयलें हे भाशेन? When the questions were asked, they have no answers. They are saying under security. What security? Are our children armed? ते कोणाक मारपाचे आहा? President आमचो न्हू? We don't love our president. आनी आमी पयस आहा. And the children have come over here. They did not come in the morning because the president will be there. आनी प्रेजिडेंटाक आमकां डिस्टर्ब करपाक नाका देखून आयज सकाळीं येवंक ना आमची भुरगीं तरणाटीं येवंक ना सांजेर दवरलेलो कार्यक्रम पूण अकस्मात कळ्ळें की सांजेर 6 वाजता आयज प्रेजिडेंट आझाद मैदानाचेर येवपाचो आहा देखून बेगीन हाडलो 2 वरांचेर हाडलो हो टायमूय बीन घातलेलो आमी फेसबुकाचेर सो दॅट एवरीबडी नोज एंड फ्रॉम 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock perhaps we would have finished our program or at the most 4 o'clock and then we would have moved out because we also understand what security is, what national security is, and we know that the President of India is here in Goa and we cannot do certain things. So फकत येवन मुखार आमच्या सदांच्या जाग्यार जंय ओपिनियन पोल जाल्लो हिंगा सकल एट इमॅक्युलेट कन्सेप्शन स्क्वेअर आमी सगळे जाणां ओपिनियन पोल जाल्लो आनी आवर गोवा हॅज बीन सेव्ड बाय आवर मार्टर्स आवर गोवा हॅज बीन सेव्ड बाय आवर फ्रीडम फायटर्स एंड दोज हॅव फॉट फॉर ओपिनियन पोल and that was the victory. ह्या जाग्यार येवन at this historic place our youth just wanted to come and celebrate the 60th liberation day and this 60th liberation day is our death knell आणि ह्या पासत आतांच आमी तयार केला हो काशांव तयार केला this is for Mr. Sawant if you can see हो पावयात तेका I'm not saying anything to the president, but the youth had sent a letter to the president asking for an audience, a short audience, where they just want to express. आणि तांकां सांगपाक सोदताले फकत आपणाक इल्लोसो वेळ दी रिप्लाय ह्या तरणाट्यांक आयज सकाळीं येयलो फोन कॉल फ्रॉम द प्रेजिडेंट्स ऑफिस सेयींग दॅट द ऑडियन्स इज नॉट पॉसिबल रायट नाव सो दे एक्सेप्टेड and just said we will just go over here and celebrate. There is no protest. This is not a protest and these are the youth, unarmed youth. Police force आख्या गोंयचो पुलीस फोर्स ह्या तरणाट्यांच्या हाटीक लागला चोर आहा तेंच्या हाटीक लागना मिसता तांकां कांयच जायना सो ते कोण चोरपाचे आहा तांकां चोरीत रावपाचे कोण हावपाचे आहा तांकां हायत रावपाचे आनी तरणाटे विच आर अनआर्म्ड तेंचे फाटल्यान तुमी येद्दो व्हडलो पुलीस फोर्स लावन तांकां आतां आख्या गोंयान भोंवडायता पिकनीक and this is what we are watching. So we thank you for your likes and also dislikes if you are passing anything. And we don't need anybody's sympathies because sympathies are already in this kashaw. आणि आमचें गोंय जावपाचें आहा आनी आमकां sympathies नाका पूण आमकां support जाय all Goans have to stand and you know why we are standing to protect our nature. We are standing to protect our forests. We are asking that the youth have their future full of forest. इतलेंच फकत हिंगा येवन बसून जरी तर ते थोडोसो वगत सेलिब्रेट करता I don't see why president will be afraid. President, doesn't he love our youth? I'm sure that he does because he is our father. आमचो सगळ्यांचो बापूय तो आनी भुरग्यांचो ताका मोग आसतलोच पर्सनली मेळत जाल्यार हांव विचारतलो पूण ताका भुरग्यांचो मोग आसतलो हेचो म्हाका दुबावूच ना ताका भुरग्यांचो मोग आसतलोच आनी जरी तर आमच्या भुरग्यांक आनी तरणाट्यांक जरी तर आयज हो पुलीस फोर्स अंडर NSA नॅशनल सेक्युरिटी खंय हितून नॅशनल सिक्युरिटी आमची भुरगीं आमच्या गांवांत येवन ह्या इमॅक्युलेट कन्सेप्शन स्क्वेराचेर रावन कितें सेक्युरिटी पाड घालपाची आहा विथ दीस रोजीस I don't know. If you all know, please tell me. We need all of you to come and question these inefficient people. I won't say government, कित्याक मागीर म्हणटले फादरान गव्हर्मेंटाचेर आडुलेले. No, I'm not talking against the government. I'm talking against this irresponsible behavior that is shown towards the youth. And what liberation are you celebrating, Mr. Sawant and company? This is not liberation, this is slavery. And we desist to call this a liberation day. This is not a liberation day. Please call off those 100 crore जे हाडलेले आहा न्हू सेलिब्रेट करपाक हो भुरग्यांच्या फुडाराक काशावान घालून दवर तुमच्याय काशावांक उपकारतले तुमच्या भुरग्यांच्याय काशावांक उपकारतले आनी ह्याय भुरग्यांच्या काशावांक उपकारतले लेट इज डिवायड देम इक्वली अमंग आवरसेल्व्स एंड गेट रेडी टू डाय अदरवायज माय डियर गोवन्स रायज अप This is the time to rise up and question. Ami question kela eyes why they have been lifted. There are no answers as I have already said. NSA. आणि NSA करून अजून पासून भुरगीं भोंवत आहा अजून पासून परतून पावना as the DYSP told me that they are going to bring them back to Panjim and they will be released. After bringing them to Panjim, they have taken them forcefully to Agasai, saying that they will be released in Agasai. Now from Agasai, these little children and these youth have been taken to Ponda. They are live. They are live on their Instagram pages and Facebook pages. Look for yourself. And the police who is there with them have no answers for them. आमी विचारला ते आमकां थोडेशें सांगलां हें पूण तांकां भुरग्यांक अजून कित्याक सांगना कित्याक वयला ते एंड जस्ट फॉर योर इन्फॉर्मेशन दीज चिल्ड्रन हॅव नॉट इवन एंटर्ड द सिटी दे वर जस्ट द बस that was carrying them was only at the start point of Atal Setu that has been built for us, Atal Setu. थिंगा पावता आसतना तांकां उबारल्या थिंगाचे आनी सगल्याक भोवाडे मारून वयल्ले आहा. If we need to save our Goa, my dear Goans, rise up. Before I go to the press, I am coming live on my Facebook page. And after that, I don't know what should happen. If any of you want to celebrate with me and you want to celebrate with those who are still remaining, and there are people who are standing the beauty of this great church have been lifted. Imagine where we are. लॉज पासून म्हणपाक दिसना म्हाका हे लॉज पासून म्हणपाचें कितें म्हणपाचें हांव नोका आय एम रनिंग आउट ऑफ वर्ड्स दॅट्स वाय आय कॅनॉट से मोर विथ दीस आय एंड विशिंग ऑल ऑफ यू विथ दीस रेड रोजीस लव फ्रॉम गोवा इट्स नॉट हॅपी इट्स अ सॅड 60th लिबरेशन डे 60th liberation day, a sad liberation day, be remembered in the history books. And who was here running? Rasode mein kaun tha? Let us remember that Uitalo Bukanche. And the police who have lied, who have kidnapped our children from Panjim and taken them from one place to another, they will have to answer. Their children will have to answer. One day they will know what the children of Goa are. Thank you.